For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
In a recent turn of developments, DRDO has identified a list of 108 components and systems that will be designed by Indian industry. This development comes after Centre announced a policy change to encourage self-reliance in the defence sector. Meanwhile, DRDO delegation led by DRDO Secretary Dr. G. Satish Reddy met Defence Minister Rajnath Singh to notify him about 108 defence systems and subsystems. DRDO will provide support to industries for design, development and testing of these systems on requirement basis. All the requirements of these systems by R&D establishments, armed forces and other security agencies can be met through development contracts or production orders on suitable Indian industry. DRDO also stated that the organization has been partnering with industries for the development of systems and components for a longer time. Collaborating with DRDO in the development of major weapon systems, Indian industry has matured to a stage where they can develop systems on their own. Indian industry has progressed from a build-to-print partner to build-to-specification partner. The list of 108 defense components to be designed by Indian industries include mini and micro UAVs, mine laying and marketing equipment, and fuel system components for aircrafts. Out of the 108 defense components, 68 items will be developed before the end of the year. Meanwhile, the remaining 68 items are expected to be manufactured by the end of 2021. Currently, DRDO is collaborating with 1,800 MSMEs along with defense public sector units and ordnance factories. DRDO has already taken major initiative through various policies to involve Indian industry as development cum production partners, offering its technology to industry at nominal cost and providing free access to patents. This initiative will support the fast-growing Indian defense industrial ecosystem and will help the industry to contribute towards Atmanirbhar Bharat in a big way. On the other hand, India had recently announced that it will ban the import of 101 types of weapons and ammunition over the next 5 years. The ban on imports of 101 items is a big step towards Atmanirbhar Bharat. The list of negative items contains not only small items but weapon systems of high and critical technology. More such items will be added to this list shortly, which will save crores of rupees in imports. The Defence Ministry has chalked out a series of measures to promote the domestic defence industries. Accordingly, the ministry has set a goal of $25 billion turnover in defense manufacturing over the next 5 years. The government has also created a separate budget for the purchase of locally produced military hardware. India remains world's second largest arms importer. After Indian government announced ban on 59 Chinese apps in June, the country is leaning towards made in India products and services.